This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत। बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत।
This is Bharat FM.
दोस्तों वेलकम, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। आप सभी को जो हमारे भारत एफएम के जो लिसनर्स हैं हमारे रेडियो चैनल पर या जो फेसबुक पर जो हमें देख रहे हैं, आप सभी को हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में जिसका कि नाम है रूबरू, उसमें आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत है। और आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आज रूबरू ये ऑड टाइम पर क्यों है। तो दोस्तों हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि रूबरू जो सेगमेंट है वो ज़्यादातर गेस्ट्स के लिए है, जो हम गेस्ट जिनको हम बुलाते हैं। तो इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन देयर कन्वीनियंट एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी डिडंट वांट टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट इटसेल्फ टू अ स्पेसिफिक स्लॉट। तो उसके वजह से आज ये पहली बार हम 9:30 PM ईस्टर्न टाइम विच इज़ 7 AM इंडिया टाइम, वी आर डूइंग दिस रूबरू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। और आज के गेस्ट के बारे में इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ कहूं, मैं आपको बता दूं कि दिस सैटरडे इज टीचर्स डे एंड वी कुड नॉट हैव हैड एनी बेटर गेस्ट देन हु वी हैव टुडे, बिकॉज शी इज heavily involved in educating kids, educating people, and has been in the industry for more than 2 decades now. So let's talk a little bit about Nikita Kothari, who is our guest today. If you have not seen it on the Facebook, her introduction, then I'll just give you a little bit of information about her. Nikita Kothari is an academician with over 2 decades in academia, having been involved at all levels: high school, middle school, higher secondary, and teacher training, both ECCD and B.Ed. She has received the many awards for teachers, principals from the various esteemed institutions, having successfully completed her Masters in Education and Masters in Child Counseling and Postgraduate Diploma in Management. She is also a recipient of the Best Headmistress Award, awarded by our ex-education minister, which is Maharashtra's ex-education minister, Mr. Vinod Tawde. She has been instrumental in setting up schools, designing school curricula, and working with officials in the various schools in maintaining standards of effective schooling, bringing in moral values, culture in the students. She writes for magazines and newspapers on all matters related with education. She is very active in taking various parenting workshop, counseling seminars for stress management, in students dealing with peer pressure, etc. She has traveled extensively all over the globe, understanding various curricula across different schools, all across various nations. She has proudly been invited as a speaker at many events. She is currently the principal of Arunoday Public School and was the founder principal of Narayana E-Techno School Kalyan branch from the year 2016 to 2019. She is an inspiration and a motivational leader, deeply loved by students and parents fraternity. That was a long introduction. Nikita, welcome to Bharat FM. Welcome to Rubaru.
Namaste, namaste. Actually, it is very kind of you to speak such beautiful ornamental words about me. You can describe me one word as human, having humanity.
That is true. I would completely agree. If you what you were doing in your field in the last 2 decades, it's not possible if you don't say that word, being human. Basically, that is extremely important for the noble profession that you are into. So the format of this program, as we have already talked, Nikita, is basically your journey, like right from your childhood to where you are today, and what do you plan in future, where do you see yourself in future. तो इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं निकिता. Tell us a little bit about your childhood. Where were you born? How was your childhood? How was your school days? And if there is any specific event that or something that struck in your head for a very long time, it is in your memory for a very long time, and you would like to share with our listeners and viewers.
Yeah, definitely, Ashish. Down the memory lane, I had a wonderful childhood. Though, today's children and what I was then, there is a whole vast difference. Our children now are totally pampered. Earlier, we had limited resources. You would believe that um, when our parents would get something, we would be so happy. So with that limited resources, we were like that was the world for us. But nowadays, when I see parents, because I am associated with students and parents, they have nuclear family, they have lost values, and my job now is to put in values and trying to make them understand. See, giving everything is not good. Well, when in my childhood, my dad struggled a lot. We studied in IES King George School, Vashi. That was a small town with limited people. And now it's become vast, growing, expanding. Our teachers were wonderful, and I still adore them. I still thank them, and I am in touch with them. We have one Bhatia Miss, and I still have a fond memory about her. She was such a gentle human, and she would always say, "Beta, don't do this.
Yes, I
You
know.
should
I
put your
remember
finger
that.
like this. Should put your finger like this." I remember the school doors when I was a child. I was a very shy child. I used to stay nearby. I used to jump on benches. I used to literally, I was a very short then. Short girl always sitting on first benches, like, choo 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 kind of thing. And teachers, I didn't have that guts to talk to teacher. I never asked any doubt. Never. Never. I'll tell you, even if I did not understand, I did not ask any doubt. But yes, Bhatia Miss, I would, because I don't know, somehow she related to me like a mother. And I know Swarna Miss, she had big eyes and she would shout. And then there was our Lokhande Miss, PT teacher, and Lokhande Sir. So these are our 10th standard teachers. Apart from it, I did my colleging from Modern College and Swami Vivekanand. Later on, I did my master's. The journey, if I say, it is such a beautiful journey, and they are still green in my memory. I remember climbing up the gate. I remember when I was a small child, we shifted somewhere little far in ninth and 10th. I had to walk down 1.5 kilometers. So on Saturdays, we had early morning school, and coming from there we would come walking with my sister, and it would be late. And imagine if it was late, our P sir would keep us out, and I being a shy child, what I would do, he would make us do 5 rounds of that big playground.
Right.
And what I would do, like a very shant and very bola bala child, I would act as if I have
Completed the
completed
five
the
rounds.
5 rounds. Like, sir, it is so
हो
tiring.
गया.
Should I go to class now?
So
I felt
you
that.
so you have been mischievous, even though you were
Yes,
quiet, you were still
definitely.
mischievous.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And because I had a bola chair. I am that way.
So while you were growing up, did you ever dream of being where you are today?
Actually, no. I never dreamt of. I'll tell you, I was a very shy child. I didn't have confidence. But yes, I was very good at art and craft. I have a lot of prizes even during my childhood. And then later on, I realized once I came out of college, I did little bit of marketing, and then I realized no, my true passion is teaching, and true passion is teaching and serving my nation. See, teachers are nothing but nation builders. Somewhere down the line, a path is required. Someone, a guru, we call guru. What does a guru do? Guru shows the path to
Mhm.
pupils. At times, we know, but still we are not aware. We are not conscious. Though we are aware, but we are not conscious of what we are doing. So I felt this is the right profession. Uh, I joined in as a pre-primary teacher. I did pre-primary for about long time, around 7 to 8 years. I was in pre-primary section only. So that is why dealing with pre-primary students, pre-primary parents, and parenting them. Like if you say it is नींव, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, नींव strong होनी चाहिए,
Correct.
the base should be strong. तो वहां से शुरुआत करके मैंने मिडिल स्कूल के बच्चों के ऊपर स्टडी किया, फिर बाद में अडोलसेंट बच्चों पे स्टडी किया. तो ये एक प्रोसेस था कि छोटे बच्चे कैसे, टॉडलर्स कैसे होते हैं, और उनके पेरेंट्स की स्टाइल कैसी होती है, और उसके बाद मिडिल स्कूल में कैसे चेंजेस आते हैं, फिर अडोलसेंट में कैसे चेंजेस आते हैं, एंड नाउ आई एम डीलिंग विद जूनियर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो.
Oh,
So yeah. So it's a wonderful journey all through. And
right.
tell me.
No, I was just going to ask you that during your childhood days, if I feel that wherever you end up being, somewhere down the line, like during your childhood days, there has to be something that affected you. Maybe it was Bhatia teacher, or maybe it was somebody who inspired you कि मुझे एजुकेशन में कब कुछ ना कुछ करने को अगर मुझे मिलेगा तो आई विल डेफिनेटली डू दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंसिडेंस और बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पर्सन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऐसा कुछ था बचपन से? डू यू रिमेम्बर समथिंग लाइक दैट?
यस आशीष, भाटिया मिस के साथ तो मैं बताऊं, मैं उनके घर में भी मतलब मुझे नहीं समझ में आता था. आई टेल यू वन थिंग. पहले ना इतना देयर वाज अ क्राउड इन क्लास जो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट थे, और
Yes.
देयर वाज अ क्राउड जहाँ पे मैं टाइनी टाइनी मैं थी और मैं कभी बोलती नहीं थी बिकॉज शायद कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था. देयर वाज अ क्लास ऑफ क्राउड जहाँ पे पीपल वेर सो ओपन, एंड मुझे नहीं आता, तो वो सीखने के लिए मेरे पास डिजायर थी कि मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है. तो मैंने भाटिया मिस से बहुत सारी मैं इंस्पायर हुई हूँ बिकॉज शी वाज इंग्लिश एंड सोशल स्टडीज टीचर. तो उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प किया. तो तभी अभी प्लेज होते थे, एनुअल डे होते थे, हम ना हमारी हाइट इतनी नहीं थी, बट आई टेल यू नाउ आई एम 5'5". So if you meet me, so I am taller than those girls who were tall then.
तो
Okay?
सो यूजुअली स्कूल एंड होने तक यूजुअली यू हैव योर हाइट, राइट, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू
No,
बी?
no, no. मेरा हाइट 12th के बाद बढ़ा.
ओ रियली? वाओ.
Yes. And 12th में जब गेट टुगेदर हुआ आशीष, तो लाइक वन और टू 10 बॉयज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड मी, निकिता यू हैव ग्रोन सो टॉल सडनली. तभी मेरी हाइट काफी तक हो चुकी थी. यस, एंड आई फील, वो बोलते हैं ना बटरफ्लाई के पर खुल जाते हैं, कोकून से बाहर निकलता है, तो वो
राइट.
टाइप था बिकॉज नो वन वाज रेडी टू रिकॉग्नाइज मी कि दिस इज निकिता. तो
ओके.
अभी मेरे बच्चों को मैं बताती हूँ कि ये मेरा पहला है, ये अभी बाद में हूँ. तो वही है कि
दे आर सरप्राइज्ड, बिलीव नहीं करते. मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ सिमिलर टू व्हाट यू आर मेंशनिंग. या. तो so up to 10th you were in New Bombay High School, right? And then you did your 11th 12th from which college?
modern college, which is nearby only my.
Correct.
And
Well, I am from Modern College too, so yeah, I know.
oh really?
Yes,
I never have spoken
I
to
know,
modern college.
I know exactly. और फिर 12th करने के बाद आपने क्या किया?
12th करने के बाद मैंने मैनेजमेंट किया.
अच्छा.
मैनेजमेंट, हाँ, मैनेजमेंट करके फिर मैंने ECCED किया. ECCED करने के बाद बीएड किया. बीएड करने के बाद मैंने MSc चाइल्ड काउंसलिंग की, एंड फिर MAd इन एजुकेशन किया. करंटली आई एम डूइंग फ्रॉम ट्रिनिटी कॉलेज ऑफ लंदन, LTCL कर रही हूँ, वो भी मास्टर्स है, तो वो भी चल रहा है मेरा साइड बाय साइड, एंड आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू PhD नाउ.
Oh wow, that's
आई एम
awesome. Dr.
डूइंग
Nikita
अहेड.
Kothari, huh? डॉक्टर निकिता कोठारी.
हो जाए तो अच्छा है
अरे हो
आशीष.
जाएगा जरूर. I mean, you have that passion, you have that intent, and as you mentioned, you are mainly a good human being, and everything else will work out for you as long as you have those things in place. So you'll be fine. So tell us about before getting into this field. What did you do after completing all your education and everything? I'm pretty sure you did not start directly with this, right? There was something else in the middle that you were involved with.
In the middle, I was involved into marketing. That is why I did marketing management. I felt, somewhere, I'll tell you, rebounds. You don't know anything, someone triggers you, you won't be able to do it. What are
Right.
you going to do? I am that kind of a girl who will say, why shouldn't I? How dare you say, why couldn't I? And that is why I tell my children, I motivate my children. Impossible says I am possible.
That is correct.
Then I was a little shaken up because I'll tell you one thing, Ashish. I belong to a very orthodox society. I belong to Marwadi, and I am Jain. So my parents then would, of course, they wanted to educate me, but they would think that rather than going for jobs and all, why not get married and settle up? So I said, no, Papa, I am not going to do that. He said, no, why you want to do all this stuff? Because हमारे में ऐसा सब नहीं करते हैं,
हाँ.
हम लोगों में नहीं करते हैं. So I said, Papa, no, it's not like that. मैं लड़की हुई तो क्या हुई, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. And जिद से मैंने, I tell you, I'm so thankful to him कि उन्होंने मुझे एटलीस्ट वो ट्रिगर किया. और वो ट्रिगर रिएक्शन था, आशीष, यू वोंट बिलीव, वो ट्रिगर रिएक्शन था. माय डैडी मस्ट बी लिसनिंग टू मी नाउ. तो ट्रिगर रिएक्शन में मैं जिद में मार्केटिंग, पापा ने कहा कि मार्केटिंग थोड़ी लड़कियों का फील्ड है,
अच्छा.
मार्केटिंग में तो तुमको सीखना पड़ेगा. रियली आप बात मानोगे नहीं, 1994 की बात है ये. तो वो टाइम में तो मार्केटिंग बहुत, जहाँ पे मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया, मैंने यूएस वाइटामिन्स ज्वाइन किया था. हमारा 10 डेज का ट्रेनिंग हुआ था आशीष. 10 डेज के ट्रेनिंग हमको होटल में रहना था. ओके, वी वर नॉट सपोज टू गो होम. हमको यूएस विटामिन्स जो था वो हमको विजिट करना था. ओके, तो वो कंपनी थी, कंपनी विजिट था, पूरा का पूरा ट्रेनिंग वहां पे हुआ था हमारा.
हाँ.
तो लाइक मम्मी एंड पापा वर लाइक, बेटा तू कैसे जाएगी, हमारे में लड़कियां बाहर नहीं रहती है.
Right. And you were like, just because you are saying that, I will do it.
And you know what, that brought in confidence in me, and I have won lot of incentives. I don't know, Gore sir was my manager, and he has inspired me a lot. And due to that, मेरा जो चुप रहने का था वो बाहर ओपन आया. मैं मार्केटिंग में, मैं दूसरों को देखती थी, जैसे कि टेलीवन के मेरे गार्गी है या मनीषा है, उनको देखती थी तो वो कितने
कॉन्फिडेंस उन्हें बहुत ज्यादा होता.
कॉन्फिडेंस, आउटस्पोकन थे.
That's right.
वो जो थे वो बोल सकते थे, और
Correct.
मैं नहीं बोल सकती क्योंकि मैं शॉक करती थी. मैं, मेरे में एक इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स था कि मैं बोल पाऊंगी नहीं, कि दूसरा आगे वाला क्या बोलेगा. तो वो बात थी. लेकिन ये चीज मैंने मार्केटिंग में पाई. And then I had very good relationship with doctors also, respectable, big MDs and diabetologists. They trained us for wonderful medicines, you know, diabetic and hypertension. I got the knowledge from there, and I became an area manager also, and I pursued that after marriage. I'm very lucky to my husband also. He supported me with everything, you know. I asked that only, would you mind if I work? Then we go ahead, because it was an arranged come love marriage. So we will talk about that later. So, so I'm very thankful that he never stopped me from whatever I felt like doing. Now also he is fully supporting me with everything. Even in COVID times, he's been such a good help to me, my dear husband. Mr.
Well, of course, I mean, without his help or without his support, I mean, same is with me. I mean, whatever happens, whatever I decide to do, even like what I'm doing right now, this is my passion. But I could not have done this without my wife's support. So yeah, I mean, that is extremely important. So without any delay, we would like to know, how did you meet your husband, and what was that story? At what point did that happen?
Oh God, going back the memory lane. I don't know. I told you that I because it is on live.
Yeah, the entire world is watching you.
Yes, there were a lot of rishtas which came down my proposals and all. When marriageable age, you know, मम्मी लोगों को बहुत टेंशन रहता है, बेटी की शादी करनी है, टाइमली शादी करनी है, और मारवाड़ीज में तो बहुत जल्दी शादी करते हैं.
Mhm.
So it is like, you know, my husband had seen me in some of the marriages, and he's a chartered accountant, and he's from Jodhpur. So वो भी बहुत लड़कियां देख चुका था. और इवेंचुअली आई वाज एडुकेटेड, तो मेरे लिए भी प्रपोजल्स बहुत आ रहे थे, बहुत ज्यादा प्रपोजल्स आ रहे थे. लेकिन मुझे कोई भी टॉम डिक हैरी नहीं चाहिए था. मैंने मम्मी को सिर्फ इतना ही कहा, मम्मी प्लीज मेहरबानी करके मेरा वेवलेंथ वाला लड़का ढूंढो. क्योंकि सी अभी मार्केटिंग करने के बाद थोड़ा सा आउट गोइंग हुए तो बाहर की दुनिया दिखती है, कैसे है क्या है,
That's
ट्रैवल
right.
करते हो आप.
Mhm.
हाँ, तो और अभी हम हमारी कल्चर को देखें तो आई एम नॉट टेलिंग, जैन भी बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं. बट यहाँ पे कैसा है कि हमारे यहाँ अभी भी नॉर्थ इंडियन, तो हम पल्लू रखते हैं बाहर जाते हैं तो या फिर घर पे कोई आता है बड़ा, तो बहनोई वगैरह आए तो हमें पल्लू रखना पड़ता है. तो वैसा टाइप का मैंने पापा को कहा था, पापा प्लीज मैं वो सब नहीं कर सकती हूँ, आई एम अ मुंबई गर्ल, तो
ये
आप मुझे कहाँ पे भी करोगे तो चलेगा। इवेंचुअली मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे कोई शादी में देखा था, ही 6'1", so he wanted an educated गर्ल एंड ही सॉ मी, एंड देन उनका प्रपोजल पहले आया था। तो मम्मी पापा ने क्या बोला, उनकी जो पट्टी है ना, मतलब वो क्या बोलते, कहाँ रहते हैं वहां पे,
हाँ
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 हाँ, वो जोधपुर के है, और हम जोधपुर के नहीं, हम मारवाड़ और मेवाड़ बोलते हैं ना, वो
हाँ
टाइप
हाँ
का।
हाँ।
हाँ, तो वहां से आया है, तो हम यहाँ पे हमारी लड़की को नहीं देंगे, उनका बहुत अलग है।
ओह
तो पापा वाज लाइक, नो, मैं मेरी लड़की को यहाँ पे नहीं देने वाला।
हाँ,
एंड पता नहीं क्या मैं बताऊँ, ये बोलती है यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ रहता है,
किस्मत एग्जैक्टली।
किस्मत, it
या
was written that I am supposed to marry him, and proposal आई, एंड एक बार ना किया, दूसरा प्रपोजल आया कुछ लंदन के डॉक्टर का, आई एम टेलिंग दिस ऑन टोटल, एंड दैट डॉक्टर, आई टेल यू, आई एम वेरी स्टूपिड, आई डोंट नो, दोज पीपल केम, पेरेंट्स आए, फिर उनकी फैमिली आई देखने के लिए, बिकॉज लड़का वॉज इवेंचुअली इन लंदन देन। तो ही, ये सारा हाँ हो गया, बिकॉज ही वॉज अ डॉक्टर एंड आई वॉज ऑल्सो बिलोंगिंग टू मेडिकल background. So
बैकग्राउंड।
they said that they have a hospital and then you can very well continue with pathology also. So they had all planned. And then this boy comes. I don't know if you're watching this. Just beware, you have missed something. Okay. So that boy comes and says, Nikita ji, I had big specs then. You have
वेल आई
specs now.
रिमेम्बर दोस यस।
Big glasses, big
यस
glasses.
यस आई
You
रिमेम्बर।
have glasses, I have glasses. If we get married, our children will have very poor eyesight. And that was what he
ओके।
said. Literally, I was like looking at him, get lost. And then that didn't materialize, and eventually Vinay's proposal came again. I said, whoever comes now, I'm going to get married, and I'm going to ensure that you are missing something good. Okay. So that was it, and I'm lucky that Vinay came, and with Vinay I have traveled across the globe, and he's the best husband ever. So that is how it started. When he came, literally whenever anyone comes, Mama would give lot of sweets and all that, savories in front whenever a ladka comes to see you. एंड विनय जब आए तो हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं, उन्होंने बोला चलो ठीक है, जो देखा देखा जाए। बट आई टेल यू, जहाँ ये किस्मत होती है ना, वो तो होना है, वो तो होना ही है।
स्पेशली शादी ब्याह जैसी चीज तो इट इज ऑल ऑल अबाउट दैट। या एग्जैक्टली
करेक्ट
राइट।
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
लेकिन वही है, जो होता है हमेशा अच्छे के लिए होता है।
अच्छे के लिए
That's what
होता
I strongly believe in, and you have already experienced it. You have a wonderful husband who always supports you with everything that you decide to do, right? So that is awesome. तो अब हमें ये बताइए कि जो आपका ये सिलसिला शुरू हुआ, starting with the pre KG kids and then primary, secondary, you started moving on with the kids from very small age, जहाँ आपने नींव की बात की कि you were more concerned with making sure that उनकी नींव एक अच्छी बने स्कूल में, जिससे कि वो आगे जाके और अच्छा कर सके, राइट? एंड एज यू मेंशन्ड, इट इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर किड्स टू हैव दैट, बिकॉज अगर आपकी नींव सही नहीं है तो आई हैव पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस्ड विद फ्यू किड्स वेयर दे कीप गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, बट बिकॉज उनका बेस स्ट्रांग नहीं था, उनको समझने की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है आगे जाके, बिकॉज अगर बेसिक ही समझ में नहीं आएगा तो फिर बाकी वो लोग आगे और कैसे समझ पाएंगे। सो टेल मी वन थिंग, एट व्हाट पॉइंट यू रियलाइज दैट ओके नाउ अब मुझे ये नींव का काम करके हो गया है, अब आई नीड टू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल एंड देन टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल। हाउ आर यू डिसाइडिंग दैट मूविंग ऑन?
Actually, yeah, how it started, I will tell you. See, we as ladies, we are homemade. We have to make our home also, and we have to adjust our professional life also. So when I started with ECCED, uh, I got a job then and there near my home. And I was able to manage my kids also. But then also I was very active. I used to take hobby classes. I was very good. I am very good at art and craft. My drawing is my passion. And though I did not get any professional degree in that, eventually there was this DMLT test, which is like, aptitude test, and they scan the hands. So they also told me that you are very good at art and craft. if you wouldn't have become a teacher, you would have definitely marked something in painting or drawing. So it started from there. I was very good at art and craft, and I wanted to do something with my kids. And my kids always were into projects, and I definitely wanted my child. See, I did not participate in fancy dress, or I did not participate in any kind of elocution. So I wanted my child to go into that. With that passion, drawing, painting, you know how small kids, they require those so many things drawing. Oh, parents are only doing. So, so that is where I realized that something is going wrong.
Hmm.
Something is going wrong, and we need to change parenting. What the schools expect a parent to do, and what is expected from a child. So there is where I started. There
So
is where I
how did you make that happen?
See, I'll tell you, I made it happen with my child's school first. I spoke to the teacher. I told my child is also a shy child, probably, and I want her to participate, but this is not the way you are supposed to do it. Yeah, once or twice I got to do a little bit of spat. It didn't turn out ugly because my child, though she is taller, and she would be always taller. Imagine she is also 6 feet, my daughter.
Oh, okay.
So any men or boys in front of her, everyone talks to her like this. So, so though she was the tallest, but yet she was bullied at times. Because she
Oh,
wouldn't speak, she was bullied. So that gave me a voice to speak. But I would definitely want her to take participate in many events, and now she is doing wonderfully. Initially, I would make her participate in fancy dress, any red day, blue day, grapes day, fruit day. All these days we keep on celebrating in the school to bring up the confidence in children. And what I see now is parents' participation. We want the kids to participate. So this is the difference. Parents have unfulfilled dreams.
hmm.
Same with me. Unfulfilled dreams which they enforce their children to complete it. So don't think like that. That is what on this worldwide,
Yeah.
Bajega Bharat, Jumega Bharat, Bharat FM. I am saying, parents, please do not enforce or push your child for your unfulfilled dreams to your child. That is very important, Ashish.
So,
And that is
so
where it starts.
right. So while you were talking, Nikita, I mean, I don't know if you know, I'm a big Bollywood buff. मुझे बॉलीवुड बहुत हद से ज़्यादा प्यारा है एंड दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द रीज़न आई एम डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग तो देर आर कपल ऑफ मूवीज दैट कम टू माई माइंड तारे ज़मी पर, थ्री इडियट्स, छिछोरे. Now, my problem is like, even though people watch these movies, understand what is going on, fully support the concept, do you think people have changed their thought process, their mentality in India?
No, not at all. I'll tell you, there are students with me. I'm counseling. They want to take commerce field, but parents are forcing them to take science. They want to join dancing profession. They are very good at singing, but they are forcing to do science. And I do that work of counseling. I have students with me. They cry in front of me. Literally, they cry. They do not share so many things with their parents, but they share with me. So
And why do you think
parents,
that is happening? Why are the parents not understanding? Or is it that ऐसा कभी कभी होता है कि the reason parents are pushing you is because based on their experience, they want a better future for you. It is possible, especially in India, because of the population. The competition is so huge. Like, if somebody wants to become a singer, you know how difficult it is to become a well-renowned singer, right? So maybe is it possible that the parents are thinking that if I push my child right now, then it is possible that they might get a better future where they have a more stable life than what they are trying to get into. I'm just trying to play a devil's advocate. I'm trying to advocate from the
yeah.
parents' perspective. Yeah.
Of course, Ashish, parents, what we as children, when I counsel the child, when I tell them, beta, I'll tell you that in future, your parents are the only people who care for you. They have their hands of blessing on you. After some time, you're going to realize that friends are there. They are your yas, they will be there. But the one, your mother, she's she is never going to stop loving you. Friends can have spat, friends can do jagada, friends can fight. They will be there. You feel comfortable. You feel me with them. I mean, I with them. But whatever it is, they are your parents and they are seeing your future. So that is what I also explain them. Maybe this you why don't you give it a try? See, कोई भी फील्ड ऐसा नहीं है आशीष जहाँ पे तुमको हार्ड वर्क करना नहीं पड़ेगा.
Of course,
अगर
yeah.
तुम हार्ड वर्क बचना चाहते हो तो सॉरी,
कुछ
ये
नहीं, हाँ.
जिंदगी में आपको अगर कोई मुकाम पे पहुंचना है तो आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. कोशिश करने वालों की हार
नहीं होती.
जैसे नन्ही चींटी, जैसे आई गिव सम एग्जांपल कि एक स्पाइडर है और वो चढ़ रहा है फिर गिरता है, चढ़ता है फिर गिरता है, चढ़ता है, बट डज ही स्टॉप ट्राइंग? तो वैसे ही हमें ट्राई करते रहना है बच्चा. आई टेल माय चिल्ड्रन एंड देन दे रियलाइज, मैम यू अंडरस्टैंड. मैंने बोला देखो, वो आज आप इधर देख रहे हो लेकिन आपके पेरेंट्स उधर देख रहे हैं आपको. वो आगे के देख चुके हैं, उन्होंने जिंदगी में जो चैलेंजेस आए वो बहुत फेस करी है. तो यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योर चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योर पेरेंट्स. एंड जब मैं पेरेंट्स से भी बात करती हूँ तो मैं पेरेंट्स के साथ बात करते वक्त मैं कहती हूँ कि आप कभी भी ना, आपका फिजिकल टाइम है, आपका फिजिकल टाइम, डू नॉट सब्स्टिट्यूट इट विथ फिजिकल गिफ्ट्स, फिजिकल नीड्स.
करेक्ट.
फिजिकल नीड क्या होती है और इमोशनल नीड्स क्या होती है? करेक्ट आशीष. इमोशनल नीड होती है कि पेरेंट बच्चे को समझे. कभी एक प्यार का पैट दे दो या हाथ सिर पे रख लो या वेरी गुड या एक्सीलेंट योर टाइम. बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज वो एक अडोलसेंट एज है, वो हाईली वोलेटाइल एज है आशीष. और उस एज में यू कैन मेक इट और यू कैन ब्रेक इट. यू कैन टोटली गो अगेंस्ट, you can totally misunderstand your parents, you can totally misinterpret कि पेरेंट्स लोग ये कर सकते हैं करके. तो पेरेंट्स क्यों बच्चे घर से भाग जाते हैं, क्यों बच्चे सुसाइड करते हैं? आप जो 3 मूवीज के नाम लिए, बहुत जरूरी है इंडियन पेरेंट्स को समझना कि देखो, अभी पेरेंट्स बहुत समझते हैं एक दूसरे को, ठीक है. एंड पेरेंट्स जैसे भी बोलते हैं कि बच्चा तुम ये कर लो, वो कर लो. और अभी के पेरेंट्स कैसे हैं, सब कुछ लाके दे देते. जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स ने लिमिटेड रिसोर्स में रखा. आई तो फील मेरे पास टॉयज लिमिटेड थी, मेरे पास, हम तो है ना, ये पेंसिल जो है ना, तो पेंसिल भी हम छोटी इतनी तक होते थे ना तब भी हम यूज करते थे.
Yes, you're right.
आजकल पेरेंट्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आजकल तो बच्चे ने कुछ मांगा 10 लाके दे दिया.
right.
अच्छा बेटा तुझे क्या चाहिए, क्राफ्ट, हाँ ये ले ले. और वो देखते नहीं है कि कितना यूज हुआ है, कितना यूज नहीं हुआ है. देखो, ये छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, ये माइक्रो थिंग्स है जो हमें ध्यान रखनी चाहिए. और सब कुछ देना नहीं है, उनको ये समझाना चाहिए कि आगे की जो लाइफ है आपके लिए, क्योंकि ना हम बच्चों को क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट नहीं सिखाते आशीष. क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट क्या है? देखो, ये अभी आपने सब कुछ दे दिया बच्चों को, लेकिन जब बच्चे बड़े होते, स्टम्बल करते हैं, अभी करियर में इतना कंपटीशन होता है और बच्चे कोप अप नहीं कर पाते. क्यों नहीं कोप अप कर पाते? क्यों इतना प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है? क्या होता है वो टाइम में कि बच्चा ये सोचता है कि मेरे साथ मेरे मम्मी पापा की इतनी आशा है, और क्यों वो गिव अप करता है? इंडिया में सुसाइड के केसेस देखे हैं आशीष आपने? तभी तो ऐसी मूवीज निकल रही है. अगर बच्चे को लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी है तो मेरे पास ऐसे बच्चे हैं. आई टेल यू, आई एम टेलिंग पेरेंट्स कि पेरेंट्स देखो, इसको शायद डिस्ग्राफिया है, इसको मैथमेटिक्स समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. आई विल नॉट टेक पेरेंट्स नेम. और मैडम प्लीज आप जाइए, आप जरा इसका थोड़ा चेक कराइए, ये आगे काम में आएगा आपको. तो पेरेंट्स बोलते मेरा बच्चा पागल नहीं है, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा यहाँ. इट्स लाइक दैट. आप क्या बोल रहे हो मेरे बच्चे को? ये ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. दे आर नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट.
And that's what we have seen in these movies. Like Tare Zameen Par has a very exact similar situation over there and similar scene over there. So, that's what I was going to ask you. That what is the reason that even after these movies being successful, which kinds of sends across the message that needs to be sent, and based on the movies becoming hit, you would feel that yeah, people are understanding what they need to do. But then you still go back and you still see the same problems. Look, all ऐसा लगता है सारा मेहनत वेस्ट चला गया. So
हाँ, मैं बताऊं, अपब्रिंगिंग में बहुत फर्क है. आई टेल यू आशीष, ये रूट्स है. एक बात बताना चाहूंगी कि अगर हमारे सामने बैरियर है, पेरेंट्स क्या रखते हैं, अपने सामने एक बैरियर रखते हैं. दे आर नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट इट. अभी हाँ, मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स से अभी बहुत बात करती हूँ, बट पहले नहीं कर पाती थी. पहले एक हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट रखते थे पेरेंट्स को. वैसे ही जो पेरेंट्स बड़े होते हैं, स्ट्रिक्ट रहते हैं, उतने बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा एक थिंग लाइन है जो हमें क्रॉस नहीं करनी चाहिए. तो अभी जो कुछ पेरेंट्स हैं वो समझ ही नहीं पाते अपने बच्चों को. वो अपने जॉब में इतना बिजी रहते हैं या फिर बाहर का टेंशन जो होता है वो घर लेकर आते हैं. एंड दे हैव परस्यूड दैट मुझे बच्चों को ये करना है, मेरा बच्चा ऐसा कर ही नहीं सकता, या डांस में क्या रखा है वो उस तरह से दे. लेकिन वो कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाते बच्चों के साथ कि बेटा देखो मैंने देखा है लाइफ, ये तू भले ही पैशन कर ले लेकिन ये कर ले तो आगे तुझे यही काम है. तो ये जो है बेटा, एक होता है हाई पिच, एक होता है बेटा कम ऑन लेट्स सिट एंड टॉक, लेट्स हैव अ डिस्कशन. तो वो चीज अभी भी थोड़ी मिसिंग है. बट आई फील जो रूरल एरियाज है या जो है, तो उन्हें हमें कैसे टाइमली एक पूरा का पूरा स्टार्ट में नहीं हो सकता. देखो मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ आपको. एक छोटा चिकन है, वो एग से बाहर आता है ना. आप उसको हैमर से तोड़ोगे कि जल्दी बाहर आ जा, तो आएगा क्या? इट विल टेक इट्स ओन टाइम. उसी तरह बच्चों का बचपन है. वो टाइम में अगर एक पौधा है, उसको आप नर्चर करोगे, पानी डालोगे, खाद डालोगे और बराबर सनलाइट डालोगे, तो वो ब्यूटीफुल ट्री में होगा, फ्रूट बेयरिंग होगा, फ्लावर्स आएंगे अच्छे. बट अगर आप उसे बराबर नहीं ग्रो करोगे, वी आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन प्लांट,
राइट.
वो एक प्रोसेस होती है. तो मैं वही बोलना चाहती हूँ पेरेंट्स को फ्रॉम योर मीडियम भारत एफएम की पेरेंट्स प्लीज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड योर चिल्ड्रन. छूट भी देते हो तो इतनी भी छूट मत दो कि आजकल मैं सुन रही हूँ इतना ड्रग्स में बच्चे जा रहे हैं, तो इतनी भी छूट मत दो कि बच्चे बिगड़ जाए.
I was going to ask you कि how do you know that fine line? How do you know that line? Where कहाँ तक पुश करना चाहिए और कहाँ रुक जाना चाहिए? How would you know that as a parent?
You are a parent. It is there inside you. It starts from when you start becoming a parent. You know, when the child is in your womb for a mother, you realize you have to give time. And yes, बच्चे का हर एक एज में, जैसे टॉडलर का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, प्रॉपर्टीज बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, और उनकी एक माइंडसेट है. वैसे ही मिडिल और वैसे ही फूड का टेस्ट चेंज होना, कपड़ों का चेंज होना, अडोलसेंट में मिरर के सामने देखना, या बच्चे बियर्ड निकालते हैं, या फिर वो एक एज है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड देम, you have to be with them, you have to have patience, you have to hold on, cling to it, and you have to have first and foremost trust, faith
Exactly.
in your child.
Exactly.
It is most important.
Yeah, bottom line is you should give enough time to your kids and communicate, as you mentioned. There is nothing called as over communication, is what I always keep saying. The more you communicate, the better for the kids, I guess.
And over communicate भी आशीष मैं बोलूंगी कि बहुत भी पीछे पड़ेंगे तो बच्चे तुमसे छुपाएंगे.
हाँ वो है that push. हाँ वही मैं बोला ना, फाइन लाइन होता है. You need to know that line very well. हाँ.
अभी बच्चे आपको बोलो पासवर्ड देंगे तो तुम्हारे फोन का पासवर्ड देंगे, भूल जाओ.
नहीं राइट.
नहीं देंगे. मेरे बच्चे टीनेज में से अभी निकले हैं, फिर भी वो सब बताते हैं मुझे, मम्मा मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ, वहां जा रहा हूँ. तो वो क्यों? बिकॉज आई ट्रस्ट यू एंड आई टेल माय सन देख बेटा, लाइफ तुझे तेरी है, और देख तेरी बहन भी है, सो आई मेन एडुकेटिंग बॉयज इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
राइट.
एडुकेटिंग गर्ल्स फाइन. अभी तक हमने क्या आगे बढ़ रहे हैं थोड़ा, कि हम लड़कियों को एडुकेट करते जा रहे हैं, बट इट इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर ईच एंड एवरी मदर टू एडुकेट योर बॉयज एंड
बॉयज.
गर्ल्स. देखो,
राइट.
हम तो एडुकेटेड हम करेंगे, लेकिन ये चीज आप छोटे, क्योंकि कैसे कैसे व्हाई देयर आर सो मेनी केसेस, why there are cases of bullying, why there are cases of molestation, why there are cases of abuse. We need to address that also. As an educator, I definitely take a meeting, a session, counseling session with my children. I try to explain, why are you not able to see anyone's tears. इतनी हद तक जाते हो कि आप उन्हें मारते हो और दूसरों की आंसू नहीं देख पाते हो. क्यों ऐसे होता है? क्यों आप नहीं देख पाते कि उस बच्चे को तकलीफ हो रही है? क्यों? अभी जैसे हमने 3 इडियट्स देखी, 3 इडियट्स में आपने देखा कि क्या होता है बताओ आशीष.
वो 3 इडियट्स में यही होता है कि वो जो आमिर खान जो कहता है कि भैया नॉलेज के पीछे भागो, सक्सेस अपने आप पीछे आएगी.
करेक्ट.
That's what it is. Yeah.
ट्रू.
Yeah. So basically, I mean, that's what I mean. That is that movie is on the top of my list always. 3 Idiots. But how many parents think like that? That is the challenge that I feel that, especially in India, I feel what is the percentage of parents who actually think like that, and let the kids do what they actually want to do. Uska percentage you would know better than me, I would say. Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली. सो मैं बताऊंगी, एक क्लास ऑफ पेरेंट्स है जो एलीट क्लास है. ऑफकोर्स सब नहीं है उसमें, बट एलीट क्लास है. जनरली ये मेरा स्टडी है. तो जहाँ पे उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता है, तो वो बच्चों को दे देते हैं. बच्चे गलत संगत में, पीयर प्रेशर बोलते हैं उनको, उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. पीयर प्रेशर में एक गलत पाथ, और फिर वो उस चीज को छुपाते छुपाते वो गलत राह पे चले जाते हैं.
Right.
तो मैं बच्चों को यही बोलती हूँ कि आपकी अंदर की वॉइस क्या है. आप खड़े रह के ना बोल सकते हो कि ये चीज गलत है. यू हैव टू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस दैट ये गलत है, ये नहीं करना है मुझे. सो यहाँ पे एक अडोलसेंट एज जो है, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एज है बच्चों की, वहाँ पे पेरेंट्स लोगों ने थोड़ा सा मॉनिटर करना जरूरी है. आई फील हाँ. यस.
So tell me one thing about you mentioned that your daughter was bullied, right? So what is India doing to handle the situation of bullying in schools? Is there any action being taken? Is there any process in place to avoid it before it happens? How is it working over there?
Yeah, it is working in India. Teachers, they have 40 students in a class, 30 students, 30, so 30 to 40. And it is not possible for a teacher, because I am into this profession, to look into each and every aspect. Like, we have CCTV cameras and all everywhere. But what happens is, there are a few students who, I don't know, in their mind, they are insecure. This is the right word. It's not jealous, or it's insecurity. Okay, so no one should go ahead of me. Again, that comes to parenting. So there is where parents have to explain the students that, their child, that you are not supposed to do that. That is wrong behavior. See, these are emotions. There are emotions to be happy. Why you are happy? Because you gave, you served, you had a good day. There are emotions, you are sad. Okay. So now jealousy, insecurity comes from insecurity. So there and there, when one feels insecure, they bully others.
Right.
Okay. Maybe because of her height, she was bullied. She was tall. Everyone used to say lambi, lambi, lambi. And then she never mentioned that. And then somehow I realized that she's not talking much. What happened? And she's not participating. She doesn't want to go to school. In that case, why so? And similarly with my son, he was a very foodie. Like, he loves food. So when he was in 8th and 9th, he was very chabu. And as a mother, you know how mothers are. they will substitute their love with food. बेटा खा, बेटा खा, बेटा खा. So when one is foodie, क्या करेगा? मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है बेटा, ये बना के दे दो. And he loves delicious. मम्मा तुमने कितना अच्छा बनाया. तो
Correct.
वो एज रहता, बेबी फैट रहता है वो टाइम में. So he was fat, and everyone would call him mota, mota, mota. And I never realized with both the children. And when I look back, my children fought for themselves. They came and told me. Then I spoke to the teacher. I spoke to the principal also, and they were very helpful because they then called the parents and they explained them. There is a process. You just can't say your child is doing this, because parents are unaware. They do not know.
That's right.
There was a proper channel, and it went on very smoothly. And I'm very thankful to my children's principal also. So this happened, and this is the way it was done.
Okay. So now moving a little further, Nikita, at what point people saw your work? At what point they realized that what you are doing is different from what others might be doing? When did that happen, and what was the event that caused it, basically?
Actually, I'll tell you, it happened in bits and pieces eventually, process.
अच्छा, शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई?
शुरुआत देखो, प्री प्राइमरी, I was always, I don't know, it was born leader. Earlier, I didn't realize it. When I was a pre-primary teacher, I would handle many things at a time. I was outgoing, and I would manage things. I would manage in a way, this is this, and I was seamless in working, organizing, planning. That I realize now that yes, I was very good at it, and I am very good at it. That is how it happened when I was a principal for a small kindergarten. I raised it. I did very well there. When I was a pre-primary teacher in St. Lawrence, then I did my work. When I was a coordinator in presidency, I did very well there. I did wonderful uh, uh, annual day events and each and every small event, because in a school we have a total planning of your, this day we are going to celebrate, that day we are going to, so how to plan it pre-hand. And in Narayana, when I was a principal there, that was a turning point for me. I gave 100% results. Narayana sir himself would talk to us, and we would give, there were 9 branches altogether in Mumbai. And there was a very, very good competition, healthy competition among the branches. And Borivali was our mother branch. So we would always have this competition for the board and CDF, and he would discuss the marks, and that would encourage me. No, we should do better, because we at our end, if we do not encourage our children, if we do not encourage our teachers, the students and teachers will not do properly. Proper instructions, proper guidance, proper teamwork. Because we, if you invert it, when you see the mirror, it is me and we go together.
That's right.
We cannot do anything, but we can do.
Yes.
We have to be we. So
Right.
that is what is very important. And teaching is a profession which teaches us all other profession. We as nation builders, I feel I'm contributing. That is a service which I'm doing. Without teachers, there won't be any doctors, there
Of
won't be any
course, of
lawyers,
course. No doubt about it.
engineers.
No doubt about it.
No doubt about it.
बिना टीचर के
And
कुछ
I
ये दुनिया ही नहीं चल सकती actually. The
no, no,
teachers are
exactly.
extremely important. And that's why it's called a noble profession. I mean, there's a reason it's called a noble profession. So tell us about the award that you received from the ex-education minister. What was that regarding?
It was my good contribution and giving 100% results. That is that which I
Was
was
that at
very
Narayana too? While you were at, I see. Okay, so that's why you mentioned that that was your turning point, basically, right? So another thing, just recently there was an organization that interviewed you, right? I forget the name.
Alatra Unites. Alatra
Yes,
Unites.
yes. Can you tell a little bit about that? How did that happen? How did they reach out to you?
Yeah, lately, because of COVID, all the schools, like when this happened, the lockdown, we were all unaware that we will have this long lockdown. So what to do? In the month of March, we realized that with March 15 and Holi coming, so our school was still going on. And that time the Prime Minister announced that we will have a lockdown. Then we thought that June and July probably the school will reopen. That was the time we were supposed to give our report cards, because usually we have an open day. March 28th is our open day planned every time.
Mm-hmm.
And we start the new session in the month of April. What are we supposed to do? And I took a call. I took that onus. Let us do this. Let us do that. And we did everything online. I educated my teacher. We did proper training. And I don't know, somehow I see ahead. I do not see here. I see there. And there were a lot of hurdles, but I managed it. And due to that, we had a proper circle of our principals, which we would discuss what are you doing? What are you doing? And I got a chance to take webinars, and a lot of people approached me as panelists, and learning and doing and understanding. And I don't know, somehow they got in touch with me as an educator because I'm there on FB, very active. I did online, lot of programs online. I never thought I shouldn't do this just because I'm online. And they approached me because I'm there on Pan India level also, All India Principals Association. I did a webinar there too. And as they have the whole website, they are creative society, they are volunteers, they believe in humanity. They also feel that it is the need of the hour, that, and they are taking a lot of interviews of all principals and teachers. So they approached me. I said, well and fine, let's go ahead with it. Why not? It's a
Mm-hmm.
good opportunity to voice out
Right.
what you feel, the need of the art to be human. We as teachers, it comes to us again. And if everyone is watching, it comes to us to not only educate, to educate.
Mm.
See, I'll tell you, there is a line, a literate can still behave like illiterate.
Right.
Uh, Getting the degree is not important.
Correct.
And illiterate people can behave like a literate.
Right.
So,
Right.
the more educated you are, you should be more humbler.
That is true. Mm-hmm.
With ego, I do not know what ego or insecurity. I will use this kind of word because yes, we need to realize that. You have to keep that in mind. That what are we doing?
Mm.
How are we behaving? There are two rights. I will not say right or wrong. There are two rights in front of you. Which right do you
Choose. Mm.
take?
Mm.
So I tell my students that which right you take, what right you take, that is more important.
I see. Okay. So, Nikita, we have like about 7 minutes now, and we have few people here on Zoom. I would like to know a little bit about you from one of them. Now, Ujjwala, I had already mentioned that I would unmute you, so I'm trying to unmute you. All right, can you hear us?
Yes.
Hi, Ujjwala.
Hello, hello. Good morning to everyone.
How are you? Well, good morning to
I'm
you.
fine.
Uh,
Sorry. Good night. It should be good night at your
It's
end.
it's 10 about 10:30 over here.
Yeah.
So Ujjwala, first of all, tell us how long have you known Nikita, and what is the best thing that you know about her that you can talk about her, and why?
See, for how long? Then I should say it's almost a 30-year of our friendship.
Wow.
Till it's going on very strong, and it should go on. I must say, like I met her when we were in Vivekanand College. But I get to know her very well that time. So when I saw my first impression of Nikita, well, I used to know her when I was in school, like, but we never used to talk. It was a different class, that's why. But the first impression of Nikita, I could relate with her because she was like me a bit that time, not now. She was completely a tomboyish type of a girl, and that's why I think we became very close. Even we had the same kind of a background with our family. I saw her struggle. I somehow I used to get inspired from her. Though I was talkative, she was shy, but I was very talkative. I was bold, but still we used to connect. We used to share some things with each other. कि अरे पापा मुझे आज ये तकलीफ है, या शी विल कम टू मी आज जो ऐसे हुआ. दैट बॉन्ड ग्रो व्हेन हम लोग बीएस में एक साथ जाते थे सब. तभी की निकू आई रिमेम्बर वेरी, लाइक आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू अडोर हर because she was very bindas and very kind. Then afterwards I got married first. उसके बाद थोड़ा कांटेक्ट कम हुआ था, but we used to keep in touch, like बात करते थे फोन पे. थोड़ा बीच में गैप होने के बाद I came to know like what she is doing. So I always used to appreciate, अरे निकू यार go on, I cannot do things but you go on. हम हैं, we are a well wishers for you. You just grow. Because what struggle we had gone through when we were child or youngsters, and जो अभी उन्होंने बात की आपसे कि जो adolescent age में जो हमको backing चाहिए होता है parents से या कोई तो समझने वाला, जो हम तभी थे एक दूसरे के लिए as a friends. लेकिन वो एक जो उसने experience किया है उसके life में, उसको उसने उसका स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट बनाया है, और वो एक मिशन के तरह उसने यूज करके नाउ शी इज व्हाट शी इज. ऐसे मैं खुद फील करती हूँ, एंड आई विल अप्रिशिएट हर. आई वोंट टेक मच ऑफ अ टाइम, बट आई ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट व्हाट शी इज डूइंग. मैं फोन पे हमेशा निकू यहाँ, अच्छा व्हाट नेक्स्ट, what you are doing next, but after talking with her I also started doing some like little bit courses and here and there, कुछ तो करेंगे. Not much like her, but I'll feel कि चलो उसको थोड़ा सा एक क्या आइडल बना के मैं इतना तो कुछ कर पाऊँ तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाएगी. फिर भी I'll wish her a very all the best and happy and successful life. कभी तो मैं बोल पाऊंगी कि यार she is my friend. So she is my very good friend, and कभी भी अभी भी ऐसा है, कुछ हो तो फोन ऐसे करके झट से निकू what you are doing, like कि हम लोग बचपन में ही हैं, हम बात कर सकते हैं. वो अभी जो जिस हिसाब से वो एक मैच्योर्ड बात कर रही है, एंड अभी वो सुनते सुनते मैं सब टैली कर रही हूँ कि हम कैसे थे, what she is talking now,
right,
और कितना वो प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है उसके लाइफ में. I'll wish her all the best. Okay,
Thank you.
And just thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ujjwala. Thanks for all those kind words and sharing your experience with all our listeners and viewers. So we have few minutes left, and all the people over here on Zoom, you are muted by default, but if you have something that you would like to say, or if you would like to say about Nikita, or if you would like to talk to Nikita, please put it in the chat. While you do that, I am going to take a couple of minutes of yours where I will mention about Bharat FM, what is Bharat FM, and if I see any message come into the chat, then I will make sure that I unmute you. So दोस्तों, Bharat FM is a radio channel based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. We launched in just before COVID, actually, like last week of February, and in a week or two the COVID was here. So वो कहते हैं ना कि उड़ने से पहले ही हमारे पर काट दिए गए. लेकिन कभी कभी क्या, मैं तो बहुत स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करता हूँ कि जब भी कुछ बुरा होता है तो उसमें से कुछ अच्छा हमेशा निकलता है. And that's exactly what happened with Bharat FM. Because of COVID, we were able to think out of the box, and we decided to be something more than just a radio channel. And which is why we started spreading across the entire globe with the kind of content that we have. So whenever you get a chance, please visit our Facebook page, please visit our website. It is still under construction, but still you have enough information over there. Facebook page is a very good place where you can understand about all the different contents that we have. I mean, it is usually radio channels are all about songs and theme based songs, but the kind of content that Bharat FM has, it's just we are still growing. We are adding more content day by day. Another thing is, we are not just a Hindi channel. It's basically we want to get all the different religions, all the different traditions and culture together on one platform. We have a Marathi segment, we have a Gujarati segment, we have a Tamil segment, we have a Telugu segment, we have a Bengali segment. So we are trying to be different in this world as a radio channel and do more than what a radio channel does. And all this is possible only with your support, with your feedback, with your comments. So make sure you like our Facebook page, you follow us, and you listen and view all our different content that we have. And even this program right now is being aired on the radio channel. So if you're not on Facebook, you can still listen to us on our radio channel. We have an app as well, both for Android and for the iPhone. So please make sure that you do that. तो दोस्तों अब मैं देखता हूं यहाँ पे किसने कमेंट किया है. निकिता मैम इज वेरी, अचला आशीष, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू यू. ममता सडाना, she is very friendly and an innocent, a very nice leader. Okay, I will unmute you. Is that Gayatri Chavan? I would rather have you talk about her instead of writing. So let me unmute you here. Okay, there you go. Gayatri, are you getting my? Yeah,
Yes,
there you
yes. Okay. Nikita and myself, we were staying in the same building. So I know her from a long time. She's very friendly, too friendly. Can I say too friendly? She's very innocent, also ready to help people. So it was very nice knowing her. And presently, she is the principal of my school. So I know her. So it is very good near this. As a person, she's very nice, very nice.
Thank
I
you.
really-
Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you for those kind words. Achla Ashish, I'm going to I know we are running a little over time, but I would just like to give one more chance to one person. So I'm going to unmute you here. Yeah, there you go. Hi, Achla. Can you hear us? All right. I can't hear you if you are talking, although it says that you are unmuted. Okay. All right. Looks like she's not able to either hear us or maybe there is an issue with her audio. So, Nikita, with that, I think we come to an end of our program. And once again, thank you very much for coming to Bharat FM's Rubaru and sharing your experiences, your vision, your wisdom with all of us over here on Bharat FM and with our listeners and viewers. So thank you very much, and we wish all the good luck and best wishes for your future endeavors as well.
Thank you so much. Suman is there. Now she's showing her camera. She is in Kuwait. She is my college friend. If you can.
Oh, I will unmute her then. Yeah, Suman, let me unmute her. Yeah. There you go, Suman.
Yeah, hello.
Hey, hi, Suman. How are you?
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine.
So we would like to know something about Nikita which nobody knows. Can you do that?
I should say she is a very bubbly person, very inspirational. She's always hardworking. I think she always want to learn something new, and a perfect person to be a friend, a mother. I should say she is a full, all balanced personality. I should all in one. She's a person who gets all friends together. Whenever I come once in a year or whenever, she is a person to come, let's all meet up. So I should say we should have a friend like her always.
Thank you. Thank you, Suman. Thanks for sharing that. So with that, we come to the end of our program. And once again, thank you, Nikita. We wish you good luck. All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Nice meeting all of y'all.
Yeah.
This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत. बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.
This is Bharat FM.